Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily book clients on your website. So maybe you are an entrepreneur and you have a website and you wish you could book your clients on your website. I'm going to show you how you can exactly do this. So here I am on a sample website here, and as you can see, when I click on schedule a meeting, I have a booking system popping up where my clients can easily see my available days. So I have the calendar or the booking appointment named 30 minutes meeting, and in here it shows my available times. So when a client just clicks on it and then they click on the time that I have indicated, that they can go to next, and then I can take their name, their email, and whatever they have to say, and then they can just schedule a meeting with this. Now, once this is done, I get a prompt in my email saying that somebody has booked an appointment with me, and it will also sync with my Gmail. And I'll get a reminder when the meeting is about to come up. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this on your website as well. So let's get into the content. Now head over to your browser and type in the URL bar calendly.com. This is the platform that we'll be using, and it will give us a code which we will embed on our website. Now when you scroll or when you come down here, you can see you can sign up either with your Google account or with your Microsoft account. Now I highly encourage that you do sign up with either of these two accounts, because when a client book an appointment with you, you want it to be able to sync with your Google Calendar or with your Microsoft Calendar. So after you've created your account either with your Google or your Microsoft account, Calendly will bring you to this page and it will show you a default event that is already opened up for you. Now what I also want to say is that the Calendly has premium and free plans. Right now what we have signed up for is the free plan. If you head over to their pricing plans, you would see that they have different pricing plans and you can pick any plan that you want. Now we are using the free one, but the free one only allows you to have just one event or one calendar only. So if you want the case where you want to have multiple calendars or multiple schedules for your clients, you can either go for the essential, professional, or the teams. So you can take your time and go through the various plans and what each of them offers. So now that we are here, let's try and create our first event or first appointment. So hit on new event type. Now once this opens up, you can see a one-to-one, a one-to-many, a collective, or a round robin kind of event. Now I would want to go with a one-on-one, which is more for a one-on-one interview. So click on that. Once that opens for you, you can put your event name there. So let's just say appointment. So let's just say it's for a dental clinic. We can say dental appointment. Now you can set the location in here, whether if it's for a phone call, a Google Meet, a Zoom, or wherever you want to meet this person for the appointment. If it's an in-person meeting at your clinic or at your shop, you can either select one. So for this one, let's do Google Meet. Now you can put a small description here that says a little bit about the appointment. So book an appointment for your dental care. I didn't spell appointment correct. So appointment, yeah, dental care. Now go down here. So this is the event. It says dental appointment event. Now this is going to be your event link, which you can share with your clients either on WhatsApp. But I'll just show you the code that you actually will have to embed on your website. So once this information is complete, let's click on next. Hi guys, just a quick one. If you've enjoyed the video up to this point, I know you'd love to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like, because it will go a long way to help me do more videos like this for you. Now let's get back to the video. So for the next setup in here, it says where can people book this event. So invitees can schedule 60 days ahead into the future. So if you want your clients to be able to schedule how far you want them to be able to schedule ahead or into the future, you can indicate that here. So here the default is 2 months away or 60 days away. Let's make it 30 days away, or you can either put within a date range or indefinitely, so they can schedule 2, 3, 4 months away if that's how you want to set up your scheduling. But for ours, we want to make it 30 days into the future. Now the next thing is, it says define how long your event will be. It can be as long as 12 hours. Hours, we want it to be 30 minutes. Let's go ahead. How do you want to offer availability for this event? So select one of the schedules or define a custom hour specific to this type of event. So first off, you need to indicate the times that you are available for these appointments. So you can come in here and then put in your set custom hours. So this is where you can select which days and which times that you are available for this appointment, and that will be indicated on the calendar, which as days that are available for you to pick these calls or schedule these calls. So let's just keep it at the default and then just move on. If you want to be sent a reminder, it says give yourself some buffer time to prepare for or wrap up from booked Calendly events. So this means that if you've scheduled, say, between 10 and 12 in a day, after every booking session, you want to have a period where you can rest or give yourself a break before you go on to the next appointment. You don't want to jump from one appointment to the other because it will not allow you time to prepare for the appointment and put those times between each of your events. Now, once this is done, you can go ahead and click on next. So the next thing we need to do is invitee questions. So the clients we are asking to book this appointment, we want some information from them. So their name, their email, and any additional field, say their budget for the appointment, that is if you are charging for this appointment or it's a service that you are running. You can ask them about their budget to give you a fair idea about whether they are the ideal client for you to take on or not. So you can do that here, and you can add another field or another question that you want to ask the client. Once this is done, you can click on save and then close. Another thing that you want to do, notification. So whenever somebody books an appointment with you, you want to be sent a notification. So the default is that Calendly will actually send a notification to your email and the client's email that they have booked an appointment with you. So you can choose the first option, which is an event will be created in your calendar and your invitee will be added as an attendee. So once that is done, you can click on close. Confirmation page. If you want to edit your confirmation page, Calendly already has a confirmation page for you by default. You can either go with that. If you want a customized information page, you'd have to go or upgrade your plan before you can actually do that. So we can go ahead and move on. Now, if you also want to collect payments, there's an option where you can also collect payment from your client. So maybe your appointment, you are charging for the booking or scheduling call that these clients want to have with you. So if it's a case where you are charging for it, you can actually connect your Stripe or PayPal account. But mind you, this also comes with an upgrade of your subscription. So if you want to do that, you can go ahead, and I think it will also help you be able to take payments seamlessly right there on your website. So now we finished setting up our appointment. Now it's time to share it on our website. So to share it or embed it on our website, we need to go to share over here. Now when you go to share, you can see share a link. Now you can easily share this link with someone on WhatsApp or in their email. When they click on that link, the Calendly appointment booking will also show up. Now that is not what we want to do. What we want to actually do is add it to our website. So head over to add to website here. Now there are three ways that you can embed this on your website. You can either add it as an inline embed, that is add a scheduling page to your website or on your site. You can add it as a pop-up so that when someone clicks on it, it will just pop up on the screen as you saw in the introduction of this video. Or you can have it as a pop-up text, that is add a text link that opens a pop-up as well. So now let's go with the pop-up text. Just click on that and click on continue. Now this is the code that we need to embed in our website for the pop-up or the appointment booking to work on our website. So just come down here and click on copy code, and let's head over to our website. So here I am on my website. So in here, I just put in the text that I copied. So I just copy the text and I just put everything in here. And once I have it in here, I just styled this schedule a meeting a little, giving it a little border, and then just increase the font size, as you can see in my CSS, the small CSS that I added in here. So once a client clicks on this, the pop-up would show up and they can easily book a meeting on my available days. So this is how everything works, and it's very seamless. Once the booking is done, I do get an email, and then it also syncs with my Google Calendar as well. So there you go. This is how you can easily use Calendly to set up booking appointments on your website, and it can actually help you and save you a lot of time so that you get some time to work on your business. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe to the channel, because every week I release website tips that will go a long way to help your business. If you have any challenge with setting up Calendly on your website, please let me know in the comment section and I'll be very happy to help you out.